Practice test 21, ecosystem succession. Today I want to explain ecosystem succession, which is the natural process by which ecosystems change and develop over time. Succession can be primary or secondary. Primary succession occurs in places where no life existed before, such as bare rock after a volcanic eruption. Over time, small organisms like lichens break down the rock, forming soil. Gradually, grasses, shrubs, and eventually trees grow, creating a complex ecosystem. Secondary succession occurs in areas where life once existed but was disturbed. For instance, after a forest fire, the land is not completely barren because soil and seeds remain. New plants grow quickly, followed by animals, and the ecosystem slowly returns to its original state. Two examples illustrate this. First, volcanic islands like Krakatoa showed primary succession when plants and animals colonized bare land after an eruption. Second, Yellowstone National Park showed secondary succession after wildfires in 1988 when plants and animals quickly returned. Succession shows how ecosystems naturally rebuild and evolve. The professor explains ecosystem succession. Using the examples from the lecture, explain the concept and how the professor illustrates it.